Hi guys, well, I've not posted anything for a few months now. Things have changed a lot and we've no longer got the tent box on the Ford Ranger. We sold that, we pretty much got bored with it, and a lot of things have changed in our lives. Myself and Asension, we're still together, everything's fine, there's no problem there at all. It's just that we just had enough of rooftop tenting. Still got the Ranger. The Ranger is in the garage at the moment. It's a bit poorly. When I had the engine remapped by Pack Tuning some time ago, I had the DPF delete done, as well as the engine remap, the gearbox remap. So that was 2 years ago. Like an idiot, I forgot all about the DPF not regenerating, and it just blocked up and blocked up and blocked up. And one day I was giving it the beans on the 38 and it decided to blow a gasket on the turbo to exhaust manifold, so it went into limp mode, and there's me wondering what's gone on. But literally the DPF's going to be taken off and gutted, and it's already mapped out. And then they'll put a new gasket on the turbo, on the exhaust manifold, and everything will be honky-dory again. What else can I tell you? That's back in about a week's time, or at the weekend. I bought Asension a nice little car. She wanted something. She thought she was going to get a 1.8 diesel Audi, little TT. I come across a nice TT, and it was a 3.2 V6 Mark II convertible, £2.5 grand they got it up for. It lit up like the bridge of the Starship Enterprise when it come to the dashboard lights. Most of that reason was because it had been parked for 6 years, the battery was completely flat. I got it for £2 grand in the end. It's a silver 2007, black interior, black ragtop. Got the laptop fitted up to it, got rid of all the faults. Well, they weren't actually faults. Recalibrated steering angle sensors, the rest of the technical garbage that goes with it. And we've got the fastest little hairdresser's car known to mankind, I think now. It does 155 mile an hour. For an old boy, I've spanked a couple of Golfs and Seats on it, on the 38, with the roof off of mine tad, and the roll up never went out. So yeah, pretty chuffed for the performance. The biggest smile on Asension's face when I actually took her out in it for the first time, and just made sure she had the seatbelt on. You should have seen her smiling. She drives like Miss Daisy normally, so she's got herself a little pocket rocket now. When she normally gets or eventually gets the courage to start driving it properly, she's going to enjoy that, and it's great with the roof off in the summer. I've got it for the week because obviously the Ranger's in the garage, so all good fun. Right, moving on, other plans. So we've always known that we wanted to buy a house or some lots of land in the Philippines, and we found somebody on Facebook who are a reputable company, really good people, and we have bought not just one 350 square metre lot, we bought four. Two 350 square metre lots in this location cost about 14 grand. We've paid 28 grand over the next 3 years for four lots. Plan is to sell one of these lots, or two of the lots, 700 square metres, when the 3 year period's gone, and we'll use some of that money to help us build a house. Can't put a lot on the video today. It's just basically I was feeling guilty today because I've not actually posted anything in a long time, and I've noticed we're getting more and more subscribers to the channel, so thanks guys, appreciate that. We're new to this, completely new, but the direction we want to take now, keep the channel going, maybe change the name. And I'm sorry to you guys that are just subscribing because there's a big orange Ranger on it. That will still feature, as will the Audi, as will Asension and myself. But I think the direction we want to go in is start by describing how a foreigner, an Englishman, can buy land in the Philippines, and basically just how we're getting on, you know, from you seeing it for the very first time as we see it, to eventually within the next 3 years building. So we're talking about breaking the ground, designing the house, just building a house basically. Any paperwork we need to do, any pitfalls, any hazards, any problems, you'll get to know about it as we do. We see a lot of Americans doing blogs. Americans, no disrespect guys, but sometimes you piss me off. You know, it's all Dumaguete, Cebu City. We're not interested, mate. You know, you come from America, you want to go to the Philippines. I respect the fact you want to live there, but from the way I've been seeing it over the hundreds of videos I've been watching, you've just got this thing in your mind about coming to one place, colonising it, living near each other, wanting to make it, the Philippines, a little bit more like America, complaining about the traffic, the heat. You know, guys, come on. This is the Philippines, this is what it is. You know, you're not going to change it to the States. You've got to integrate. You've just got to integrate. Maybe that sounded a bit harsh on my part, but, you know, from my perspective, my personal perspective, again, because it is all about your personal needs, what you want to do. Personally, you know, myself and Asension are getting married this year. It's not about money. She's been in the UK for 25 years. With a 25 years, she's had a British passport. So it's not like gold digging or anything like that. It's just the fact that, you know, the UK is basically going to rat shit now. We want to eventually move to the Philippines, back to where Asension's family are, which is in Isabela, which is sort of northern Philippines. And we want to be in a place really where we can retire. You know, we've both got decent pensions coming. I've got my army pension, she's got a personal pension, I've got a personal pension, we've both got state pensions. We figured out just on the state pensions alone we'll have probably 400 GB pounds a week to live on. So that's fine, we can live, you know, comfortably. We build the house, we build a pool, we're going to move to what they call the barangay, which is village. We're going to move to Ilocos Norte, which is very north in the Philippines, way above Manila, way above Dumaguete, my God, it does me head in. And we're going to live on a hillside, which is 2 miles away from a beach. I believe the barangay is Barangay 37 or Kalayab, and it's 5 miles away from an international airport. It's perfect for us, you know. It's going to be more like building a house, but you know, we've got to work for it, and we've got to make this dream happen. So yeah, this is what's going to happen. These are the plans, guys. We just want to share everything with you from day one. We really don't want to lose subscribers. You guys are great, you know, but I understand and I respect the fact that it's more about the tent box and the truck for you fellas. Stick with us. Just stick with us. Right. I'm going to put this new GoPro 10 down now. I've literally just been out and bought it this morning. What is it? The GoPro 10 Hero Black Edition. It's got a little media mod microphone on it. I have no idea how it sounds. I'm about to edit up and post to YouTube. It's got a little LED lamp on the top, the diffuser. It's got some sort of handle that turns into a tripod. Called the Volt, which contains a battery which is about 3 times the power of the GoPro. So just bought it second hand, cost me a couple of £100. This is basically just a test video. Again, we'll keep you posted. We'll post more footage. Apologies, we've put nothing on the website for a long time. I've been very, very busy at work. I've maybe never explained what I do for a living before, but I run a company called CDM Managers UK. I specialise in construction design management projects as basically a site manager. I've been over to Kuwait. I got back a couple of weeks ago. I was doing a fairground Ferris wheel refurbishment for a place called Batch Catch in Kuwait City. That's basically, it's a hospice for kids that are dying, terminally ill children. So went over there, did the mechanical engineering, got the Ferris wheel running within a week. Everybody was very grateful. I was grateful to Dr. Hallel and Margaret, his wife, and everybody else at the hospice for even taking us to Dr. Hallel's house on the last night. We had dinner with the Prime Minister of Kuwait. Never expected that. He's been scruffy shorts and trainers, shaking hands with His Excellence, and eating sheep's brains. Another story completely. If I'd have gone for the eyeball, I'd have buckled it, but tongue, cheek, sheep's brains, yeah, I sort of managed to hold it down. So yeah, I've been doing that. And then I came back to England, and I've been doing G-Block strip out at Jaguar Land Rover in Birmingham at Castle Bromwich. They've stopped making the Jaguar XF now. Jaguar are not making any more of those. So it's my job at the moment to strip out all the robots, all the mezzanine floors. Got about 15 guys on that. And then I've moved over to Prologic Park to DHL, taking a lot of racking out and VNA racking, which is vertical narrow aisle stuff where these electronic forklifts go up and down and pick everything off the shelves. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Stay tuned, guys. As I said, sorry we've not posted much. This is a bit of a test video. Wanted to let you know what we're doing and what the plans are. Once I've got my head around this GoPro, I'll do a little bit more fancy editing, and we'll post more things for you. Okay, so I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Peace out.